Ipsy Ultimate has a new name and a new look. So if you want to see if the products are even better, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe's in the other room with Dexter, and Bandit is stalking my mom because she's cooking. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, collaborations, all kinds of fun stuff. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting the subscribe button. It is totally free. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So Ipsy has renamed their icon box their Ultimate Box. It has a new look and no celebrity curator, at least not for this time. So let's check this out. Now you get 8 items. You get to choose 3. They choose the others. I also have some add-ons, so it's kind of jam-packed in here. So there is a little flyer, but there's not as much in there. There's a little bit of information about some of the Ultimate products that are exclusive to the box. In other words, it wasn't available for the Ipsy Extra members. So if you get Extra, sometimes the choices that you have for Ultimate are extra choices. In other words, you would find them as a choice for your Ipsy Extra, but sometimes there are Ultimate exclusive. And that also means when you go into the shop, you won't find those Ultimate items in there when you're in there now. Now later on down the road you're going to find them, but not immediately. Okay, so here's your first sneak peek at what's in my box. But like I said, there was quite a few add-ons because there were so many things that I wanted to try. The first thing that they chose for me was by Kevin Aucoin, and this is their Indecent Mascara in black. This has a regular mascara wand. I'm actually going to move over so I can put in a picture of that wand that kind of has that tapering. It is a $32 value. However, it is in their shop right now for $10. It does say that the advanced formula sculpts lashes in 4 dimensions, volume, length, curling. Okay, so it says 4 dimensions, volume, length, curl, and meaning. And I'm not really sure what that means, but it does say it delivers fuller, more defined lashes with extreme volume. It's a cone-shaped brush that effortlessly coats each lash. And a rounded base to give a fuller look. So I'm going to put that in with my mascaras to use in the future. Currently, I am using a combination of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which is a very good volumizing mascara, with the Thrive Cosmetics OG tubing mascara, which is a great lengthening mascara. So that's what I'm currently using, that combination, and I'm loving it. So maybe this is like a one-stop shop. You don't need all of those or 2 of those products for one. Okay, the next thing that they chose for me by Rodial are their Collagen Replenishing Concentrate Drops. This is a $95 value. And it says, like a daily recharge for your skin, these ultra hydrating drops help plump, smooth, and restore bounce for a healthy looking glow, infused with collagen to support elasticity, antioxidant rich babassu oil to help condition and soothe, and hyaluronic acid to help lock in moisture. And here is how that looks. So I'm excited to try these actually. Next and I'm not sure if it's pronounced Lithe, L-I-T-H-E Beauty, we have the High Definition Gel Eyeliner Duo. All right. So it's in Galaxy, which is a deep aubergine, and Blueprint, which is a deep blue. Looks like a blue purple. It says deep navy, but on the box it looks like a deep purple, blue purple, but we'll give it a try. So I have been using these lighter shades. I don't know if these are going to be lighter, but I have a lighter blue in my waterline there to try to kind of make the eyes pop. So we'll see how dark these are and if that might be a good use for them. This is a $46 value. And this brand is cruelty-free and vegan. You can't really see the tip, but oh, that's gorgeous. That wouldn't be a good waterline color, I don't think. I mean, I'll probably give it a try, but it would definitely, it went on so smooth, so easy. So excited for that. And then the navy right on top of that. Definitely too dark for the waterline. The blue I have is a lighter blue. Not a baby blue by any means, but it's more of a, I don't know, a creamier blue. Now it does say that it's a waterproof gel that glides on like butter. It absolutely does. Sets like a dream and stays flawless all day. I can't attest to any of that. It says no smudging, tugging, or touch-ups required. Sets it pretty quickly. So I'm pretty excited. I will let you guys know about this. In my, one of my beauty advent calendars, I think it was the Selfridges, I got the, was it the Lisa Eldridge brown eyeliner? Was that either Lisa Eldridge or Trish McAvoy? I'll put it up there which one it was. That one smudges terribly. Like all day long it smudges. Like I love the color. It goes on beautifully like butter. But all day long it is smudging, and I have like tried to set it with some setting powder on a thin brush. I have tried everything, and as gorgeous as it is, I just all day long I'm like in the bathroom with a makeup wipe because I keep them in my office just in case I need one, and I'm just like at my eyes all day. Next, I did get, this was a duo, so you got two of these, one category 2, which is amazing because these are pricey. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Wand Duo in Pillow Talk and Pink Gasm. So the Pink Gasm is part of their Glow Gasm line, and the Pillow Talk is part of their matte line. This is an $84 value for both. And they have, and I do have these open right now, so I don't want to open them. I will tell you though, these, you're not going to get a ton of use out of these because a lot of the product ends up here, and so it ends up running out pretty quickly. Like I've already gone through one of these in like maybe 4 months. So you're going to twist this to open it up, then you're going to squeeze them onto the, and then you're just going to dab it on. Okay, so this is my Glow Gasm, Pink Gasm, and you can see like I am squeezing out to the last drop. And again, like I don't even have to open this up. I'm going to get, I didn't even open it up and I got that. So my thought is this is probably a little bit germy. I'm going to be honest. But I love it, so I'm just going to keep using it. And then this is the matte one. I think it's the same shade. Yes, in Pillow Talk. Okay, and this one has dried up a little bit, so I didn't use this recently. You could probably, once it's dried up, you could probably wash it. And a little bit with this goes a long way. I do always shut it afterwards. Okay, so the Glow Gasm and the matte. And I've rubbed them both out. So they're both lovely. This is obviously just going to give you like a little bit of color, whereas the Glow Gasm shade is obviously a little bit more rich. So it depends, you know. I've used both actually at work, but just a little bit goes a long way. But you could even see it as like day versus evening, with the shinier one being the evening one. So I'm happy to have replacements because, like I said, like this one's getting down to it. By Tatcha, the Matcha Cleanse. This is a $40 value. It is fragrance free and it's a gel. And it says it's going to leave the skin feeling clean, balanced, and never tight. It has Japanese Kaio matcha, which is packed with antioxidants to help calm the look of redness. And it says skin is going to look refreshed and ready for anything. And again, a little tore up here. There we go. All right, next for my first choice item by NARS, I went with the Quad eyeshadow palette. I can't remember what the other choices were, but I do remember just thinking, you know, that looks really lovely. So I will put my choices up there for you. This is a $55 value. So obviously the lighter matte over here is a little bit harder to see, but some pretty good payout. Let me darken that up for you guys. All right, here we go. And to me, that looks like a nice kind of like everyday go-to, get the eye look done, nice and quick. I do tend to match my eye looks though to what I'm wearing, so there's that. But if I weren't in the mood for it, if I just wanted to get something done and have like some nice color, nice payout, nice kind of simple, I thought that would be so nice. Oh, the colors are shimmering pink with gold pearl, boysenberry infused with gold matte rose pink, and shimmering rose pink. Okay, that's kind of fancy. I just thought they were pretty colors. Okay, my next item is missing from my box, so I'm going to have to contact them and hope that they can get me one. And it is the Commodity Fragrances Iced in the Expressive. And it said it has shades of ginger, black pepper, and a smooth amber base that lingers like a cozy sweater. It's a $80 value, and I love the Commodity Fragrances, and pretty irritated that it's not in my box. Then my next choice item, also not in my box, and it is the Makeup by Mario Soft Sculpt Transforming Skin Perfector. This was a $36 value, and it's a 3-in-1 powder that's going to bronze, highlight, and perfect your complexion, giving that radiant, airbrushed glow Mario is famous for. It's a silky blendable formula that melts right in. And okay, moving on to my add-ons, let's see what's in here and what they're going to credit me for. By Fable & Mane, we have the Salus Scalp Wild Ginger Purifying Scrub. This is a $36 value that I added on for $12, and it's a scalp scrub. We use these regularly. The only thing I don't like about this is that it's in a, oh no, it's a plastic bottle. Okay, I thought it was glass. I don't like glass for my shower. I just feel like when that falls, it's going to shatter, and that's going to be horrible. But this is plastic, so okay, happy about that. Okay, another add-on that's not in here is the Ilia Beauty Clean Line Gel Liner. And, well, it's sold out, and I can't even give you any information about it other than that. I think it was in a brown. There's a lot of stuff missing. Okay, I also added on the Tatcha Camilla Gold Spun Moisturizing Lip Balm. That's not in here. I added on the Glow Recipe Cloudberry Bright Moisture Cream. That's not in here. Okay, by Borogio is the Superfood Passion Fruit and Acai Hydrating Mask. From Too Faced, we have a Kissing Jelly Twice Upon a Time. It says right on here, this is a $29 value. I believe it was $12 to add on. It says that the pink smells like bubble gum and the blue smells like a blue snow cone. And the shades are, oh, bubble gum and blue snow cone. Okay, well, I guess that makes sense. From Bare Minerals is the Gen Nude Highlighting Blush in the shade Opal Glow. And I love a good Bare Minerals product. From Elemis is their Pro Collagen Black Cherry Cleansing Gel. And they do make a very good cleansing balm. So I thought I would, cleansing balm. They do make a very good cleansing balm. So I thought I would try this one. It does smell like black cherry too. From Buxom is their Full On Polishing Lip Polish. It's a plumper in the shade White Russian Sparkle. So it's a pinky shade, but that's going to melt in pretty clear-ish. Oh, I take that back. I do have the Tatcha Camilla Gold Spun Lip Balm that is in here. And I just heard people say so many great things about it that I wanted to give it a try. From You Beauty, now I know this is a $68 value that I got for $12, is the Plasma Lip Compound. This is in the shade Sunset, and this is like the Ole Henriksen ones. It does have a metal cooling applicator. So just a touch of color. From Too Faced, this is a $40 value. I added on for $12. This is their Dream a Little Dream limited edition blush and lip gloss set, and it says it smells like sherbet. And the blush is in Cloud Crush. It is scented. I don't know that I would say sherbet, but it is scented. And then my Boost product, which you don't get to choose anymore, and this is the Pink Diamond by Rodial. It's their Instant Lifting Serum, and this is a $135 value, so it's got a big value, but I would have liked to have seen what there was to choose. It says it's a powerhouse serum and that it's infused with diamond powder for a radiant boost and vitamin C to help brighten. And then I did have some points that were expiring, so I did add on this Pacifica Hydro Dew Slime Barrier Care Gel. And I don't know, I just kind of like, I need to spend these points before they expire, so I grabbed that. It was like 600 points. Okay, so super disappointed about what wasn't in my box. I'm going to have to contact them. I will let you guys know the outcome. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Let me know what your favorite product was, and please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.